Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, locate the back file and confirm the exact path and free disk space. This prevents mid-restore failures. Next, connect as SA or a sysadmin account and check the target instance name so you restore to the right server. Once done, decide whether to set the database to single user or use restore with replace to overwrite. This matters because open connections block file replacements. Prepare file paths for MDF and LDF before issuing restore commands. You now run restore file instantly to reveal logical names. Map those to physical MDF and LDF target paths using move clauses because mismatches cause immediate errors. Then issue restore database with recovery if you plan to apply transaction logs, or use with recovery to make the DB online. While the restore runs, watch %complete in sys. DM exec requests entail the SQL Server error log, so you can react to I/O or permission errors instantly. This visibility saves time. You complete the process by running restore database with recovery, which brings the database online. Make sure the state shows online in SSMS or sys. Databases. Once online, update statistics, re-enable SQL agent jobs, and run dbcc checkdb to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, here is one key troubleshooting tip. Compare the backup set LSNs and recovery sequence. LSN mismatches or incorrect recovery sequences are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.